Hi sir, hi ma'am, good evening. Thank you for joining this event. We would like to hear a few experience about this event. What do you feel about it?
It was very nicely organized. We loved it.
Very nicely organized. I think all the kids had a very good time. Congrats to the Naveen coach and hope we have more such events.
What do you feel about the academy? How beneficial is it for your children's development and
I think Naveen takes personal care of each of the child. So that's why I really like it. So if your child is not playing at that level, he makes sure that he goes to that level and help them.
all credit goes to Naveen Kumar?
Naveen for a great long time, right? He is passionate about football, makes him he was in different then with my son also being there. So that energy he has brought to right now is coaching.
I think the event is fab. The kind of organization the academy has put in, it's amazing. Um, the way all the kids have come from different departments, different school, and the best part is how the parents have come and supported the kids. That's fabulous. It's fantastic.
The academy, how useful it is for the kids.
I think the academy is really good because both my kids are using the same academy for last 2 years. I can see a lot of development in them, the skill sets, and the way the academy is helping them to become more and more confident in playing football is very appreciated.
Yeah, a few words about the coach Naveen Kumar. What do you feel about
He's amazing. I think if he can teach my son how to do football, he is a great coach. I think.
so even with the older boys. Last time, I think when there was a tournament, he was playing with under 14 also. So that way, it's lovely to watch him grow and develop confidence playing this game. How about the academy? How it improving your kids and how useful it is for your children? Definitely, it has been really helpful in team building and playing together, having better communication because football is also a game where you have to play as a team. So that way he is able to build those skills, communicate better, and he is out of his comfort zone. He's out there playing with full confidence, and he never feels shy that he's the youngest in the group. And all the other boys are also very encouraging of him. So that way they do get a lot of confidence, and also the brotherhood they are developing to be playing as a team. So that's really endearing to watch. And the final supportive and how he is always very approachable and a wonderful guide, an awesome mentor for the kids. He is always providing these wonderful opportunities like that. Always keeps us updated about the new events that are happening. So it's very encouraging and good mentor. Thank you so much. For a great day.
Karan.
Rashmina.
Welcome to this event. We would like you to share some experience about this event.
So it's very well managed event. I really like the turf is windy, and it's amazing and it's very well managed event. I'm just like feeling that it's a very good experience for my son to have this.
Yeah, same. A lot of teams participating, a lot of exposure, a lot of competition. It's a good way to learn something.
Okay, how do you feel about the academy? How useful it is for the children? What do you feel about the academy? Joining your kids here and
Yeah, I mean, we have seen a big change in our son since he joined the academy. A lot of courage, lot of team sport, lot of discipline, a lot of fun. So overall, I feel joining this academy, he has learned a lot about team sports and having fun.
So it's been 6 months that my son is doing training with the Kings Academy, and I'm seeing a lot of difference in him. Now he's learning many strategies. So yeah, we are very happy.
okay, finally, few words about the coach now. How supportive he is and what do you feel about him?
Yeah, I'm really happy because in last 6 months he haven't missed any single class. There's no occasion when he has missed that. Yeah, because like it's always very continuous, regular classes. So the kids are not also missing the pace, and I really love his dedication and effort. And yeah, I'm liking Kings Academy a lot, and thank God we registered my son with me. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.